Hey, what's up, everyone? In today's club catch up, this I think is the second one I've done of these. This is a new thing I'm doing where I take some of the things I've worked on, some of the new resources I've created, guides I've worked on, stuff like that, and just going to bring it to you in short videos just to highlight things that you should be aware of. So in today's video, we're going to talk about two code snippets. We're going to talk about a guide revamp. We're going to talk about Lite Starter Sites and then worksheets. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. The first code snippet is this right here: hide the coupon feature from WooCommerce checkout. So if you go to your site and you go to the store, add something to your cart, you're going to see a coupon field here. I assume people are going to put the coupon in there and they're going to go proceed to checkout. You're going to see this again. So it shows up twice. So what this snippet will allow you to do, turn that on, is to hide that second coupon feature within the checkout page. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just toggle that on. There we go. So we see that it's gone from this page. It kind of cleans up the checkout page a little bit, but it's still here on the cart page. So this is just a nice option for you to have. All right, the next code snippet is add author as a bulk edit option in the listing table within the WordPress dashboard. So let me show you what I mean by that. By default, if you go under listings, and let's say you want to edit a bunch of listings and change their who the author is, once you do select some listings, go up here under bulk actions, edit, and then apply. You'll see over here, there's no option. This is where it should appear. There's no option to change the author. Okay, so we're going to go back into our code snippets. We're going to turn on our listing authors code snippet. Select a couple of listings, and we currently see that they are, the author is the admin. I'm going to go bulk actions, edit, apply. Now we see the author option here. We're going to change this over to MyListing Club. There we go. So now we see the author is MyListing Club. All right, so that's the second code snippet. The next thing is a complete guide revamp, and I've mentioned this in a couple of videos. But if you go to the guides down here, it should be one of the last ones or most recent ones. Yeah, here we go. Configure SEOPress for MyListing websites in 2026. I literally spent an entire week revamping this guide top to bottom, researching, making sure everything was accurate, all those types of things. So you definitely want to check this out. Especially in the age of AI. So it's not just about SEO, it's AEO or whatever you want to call it. It's answering AI engines and the questions that they ask. Okay. All right, so that is that guide. Next up is the Lite Starter Sites. So important announcements around these. If you're not familiar, they are part of the reason I'm doing this is to make it easier to understand what all of the stuff I build is. Lite Starter Sites are a light version of the full-blown starter site. So it could be for those that just maybe you're on a tighter budget or you don't need everything that a full starter site gives you. These, as the name suggests, it's a light starter site. But what's new now is, and I'll show you the sites too. You get up to $500. This is annual value in premium solutions. So I think previously it was about $200 worth. So you can get DevKit Pro, Elementor Pro, all of the club add-ons, MyListing Club add-ons, SEOPress Pro, WP Codebox, Permalink Manager Pro, Perf Matters. You get access to the MyListing project template. So this is, again, a $500 value per year value. This video walks you through the differences in the sites, but I completely revamped this page just to help you make it more clear what these are. But let's check these out real quick in case you haven't seen them. This is the car, and this is the property site. What I did is I took the MyListing demos that you can see from the MyListing team, and I modernized these. And I actually, if you go to the club's YouTube channel, you'll see I did an entire course on both of these where I walked through the process of recreating these sites and making them more modern, clean, modern, beautiful. And these are super inexpensive. They're I think they're like $70 off the top of my head. I don't know, but they're well under $100. It's gonna, the time savings alone. I mean, the premium solutions alone more than pays for this. So these are basically free. But then you think of all the time savings and how beautiful these look right out of the box in the time savings. These are extremely popular for those that are on a tighter budget that can't afford a full-blown starter site. All right. So that is the Lite Starter Site. Yeah, go check out the MyListing demos. Compare these to the MyListing demos, and I think you'll see a clear difference. It includes the MyListing theme too, that which will last you quite a while until you need updates and support. But there's value just in having that theme installed as well. All right, last but not least, MyListing Worksheets. We go to Resources, and we go find the worksheets. This page, you'll see I'm going through every page on the MyListing Club website and completely revamping it, making everything clean, easier to understand. But this was one that really needed to be simplified here. But these worksheets are extremely powerful. Once you are logged into your account, you're going to see all of the worksheets here. But definitely check out these videos. These things are going to save you hours and hours of time when building your MyListing website. Or maybe you're far along in building your MyListing website and you just want to make sure that you've crossed all your T's, dotted all your I's, and you're not missing any steps. Okay. So that's where these are valuable. But the point of me mentioning that specifically in this video is I have gone through and I've made sure that all of the worksheets are up to date for the latest version of the MyListing theme, which is 2.15. That's the main takeaway. A lot of time is put in. I put a lot of time into these, and there's just an extreme amount of value in these. All right. All right. Once again, I've asked you guys before. I'm not seeing any help from you guys. There's almost 1,400 subscribers on this channel. I'm gonna put it. It's gonna mention it again. Once you're done, you're already on YouTube. Do a search for the Influence WP YouTube channel and please subscribe. Help keep more partners coming, more deals coming to you. It's of value to you. Help me out. Subscribe to that channel. Let's get the numbers up. There's 1,400 people almost in the club's YouTube channel. There's about 252 subscribers to the Influence WP channel. Let's get those numbers up. I'm watching, guys. Help me out. All right. All right. Catch you in the next video.